Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks the circuit on both the hot and the neutral wires. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Now separate the motor housing from the gear case. It's secured with 3 screws. Now remove the handle cover. Now I can replace the switch. I'll note the location of each of the wires, and then I can go ahead and remove them. And now install the new switch. With the wires installed, now I can place the switch back into the housing. And I'll make sure that all the wires are tucked out of the way, so when we reinstall the handle, nothing gets pinched. Now I'll reinstall the handle cover and secure it with the screws. Now I'll place the fan guard over the top of the field. There's 2 tabs that fit into the slots on the housing. And now this assembly can go over the armature and mount to the gear case. As I slide the housing in place, I need to make sure that the blade lock aligns with these slots on either side of the housing. I'll double check that the spindle lock is aligned with the slots, and then I can secure the housing.